How to turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Personal, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Well, basically the problem itself is quite simple and easy. So let me guide it through. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Twitter or the X application, and here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, you can see I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here you should get an face like this. Scroll down below on the left hand side and you can see settings and support at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it there, you'll get an option that says settings and privacy and help center. You want to simply tap on settings and privacy. Once here you'll see an interface like this. You want to head into the option that says privacy and safety. You can see under monetization option. Once you open up privacy and safety, you'll get the third option that says content you see. Decide what you see on X based on your preferences. Simply tap on it and make sure that the option is enable display media that may contain sensitive content. If you turn this off, if this is off, then it'll show you the age restrictions on particular videos and medias on the Twitter. So you want to make sure it's enabled and you'll be able to see the content without age restrictions on Twitter. So this way you can turn off age restrictions on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.